Chia seeds are often celebrated for their numerous health benefits. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, these tiny seeds are known to support heart health, improve brain function, and help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Many people use chia seeds specifically for these reasons, but what if I told you that there are potential side effects you should be aware of? In this video, we're diving into the common mistakes people make with chia seeds and the precautions you should take to avoid them. If you don't, what's meant to benefit your health might end up harming it instead. Let's start with one of the biggest mistakes: eating chia seeds dry. While it might seem harmless, consuming dry chia seeds can lead to serious throat issues. Here's why: chia seeds expand when they come into contact with water, and if you eat them dry, they can swell in your throat, causing discomfort or even a blockage. To avoid this, always soak your chia seeds before consuming them. The best way to do this is to take half a teaspoon of chia seeds and let them sit in a glass of water overnight. By morning, they'll have absorbed the water and be ready for safe consumption. You can drink it as is or use them in pudding, smoothies, or any other dish. They'll add a nutritious touch to your recipes. After drinking the water with soaked chia seeds, it's crucial to keep drinking more water throughout the day. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which is great for digestion, but only if you stay hydrated. If you don't drink enough water, the high fiber content can actually cause constipation, especially if you're prone to bloating. The fiber in chia seeds can swell in your intestines, slowing down digestion and leading to discomfort or even pain. So remember, hydration is key when consuming chia seeds. In rare cases, consuming too many chia seeds without sufficient hydration can lead to the formation of a thick gel in the digestive tract, potentially causing blockages. This risk is higher for individuals with a history of digestive disorders, such as Crohn's disease or irritable bowel syndrome. To prevent this, always ensure that you're drinking plenty of water when consuming chia seeds and avoid consuming them in excess. Another mistake people often make is starting with too large a quantity of chia seeds. While you might be eager to reap all the health benefits, starting with too much can be dangerous, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. A large amount of fiber requires more water to digest, and if your body isn't used to it, you can experience gas and bloating. That's why it's important to start small. Begin with half a teaspoon. If you don't experience any discomfort, you can gradually increase the amount to 1 teaspoon. Now, let's talk about allergies. Some people experience allergic reactions after consuming chia seeds, including skin rashes, pimples, facial swelling, or redness. In more severe cases, chia seeds can cause breathing difficulties. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's essential to stop consuming chia seeds immediately and consult your doctor. For those who don't have allergic reactions, chia seeds can be a great addition to your diet. But if you're allergic, it's best to avoid them entirely. There's another important side effect to consider: chia seeds can interact with certain medications. If you're on blood pressure medications or blood thinners like Loprin, adding chia seeds to your diet could lead to unexpected and potentially serious side effects. For example, chia seeds have natural blood thinning properties, which can amplify the effects of your medication. This might result in your blood pressure dropping too low or increase the risk of excessive bleeding from minor injuries. Because chia seeds make it harder for your blood to clot, even a small cut could become problematic. To stay safe, it's advisable to either avoid chia seeds or consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating them into your meals. While chia seeds are a good source of calcium, consuming them in large quantities can contribute to an excessive intake of this mineral, especially if you're also taking calcium supplements or eating other calcium-rich foods. This can lead to hypercalcemia, a condition characterized by an overabundance of calcium in the blood, which can cause kidney stones and impair heart and brain function. It's important to balance your calcium sources and monitor your intake. Chia seeds, like other seeds, can sometimes be contaminated with harmful bacteria or mold if not stored properly. This is particularly a concern with bulk purchases or chia seeds that have been stored for a long period of time. Always check the expiration date and store chia seeds in a cool, dry place. It's also a good practice to rinse them before use to eliminate any potential contaminants. Since chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, consuming them alongside fish oil or other omega-3 supplements can lead to an excessive intake of these fatty acids. While omega-3s are beneficial for heart health, too much can cause thinning of the blood, which increases the risk of bleeding. If you're already taking omega-3 supplements, you may want to reduce your chia seed intake or discuss with your healthcare provider how to balance these sources effectively. So what's the takeaway here? Chia seeds are not harmful on their own. It's how you use them that matters most. By being mindful of the amount you consume, soaking them properly, staying hydrated, and considering any potential interactions with your medications, you can enjoy the benefits of chia seeds without any of the side effects. Remember, the key to harnessing the power of chia seeds lies in the details. How much you take when you take it, and how do you prepare it? By following these guidelines, you can safely incorporate chia seeds into your diet and enjoy all the benefits they have to offer without any negative side effects. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.